G'day, Mick here from Z Grills Australia. I've baked up some pretty cool stuff in the Z Grill recently. We've done a New York cheesecake, and then over Easter we did some hot cross buns. But today we're going to do one of my favourite cakes, which is a carrot cake. I'm not using my own recipe, I'm using a recipe from a world-renowned chef, a carrot cake expert called Austen. And we're going to welcome him to the set today, and I'm going to be the assistant. So I've already prepared some ingredients. Come in here, Austen. And good to see you've got the Z Grills apron on. Now, I've already prepared these ingredients for you. So I'm just going to step back and let you work your magic. Now, okay, so let's go through it. So in here, we've got 3/4 cup of self-raising flour, just plain, and 1/4 cup of wholemeal. Is that right?
Yeah. How many grams?
How many grams? I don't know how many grams. I put cups worth. Sorry, I'm sorry I'm disappointing you with my lack of attention to detail. 2/3 cup of oil, brown sugar, 1/3 cup, not too sweet. What I did, I cut down the quantities of sultanas so we could have some pineapple and some walnut in this mix. Gee, look at that technique. Oh, how many years did it take you to get that technique down?
I don't know.
Wow. No shells? So I've got an important question. So you've obviously chosen the wooden spoon here. Now, is it counterclockwise or clockwise that you prefer with the action? No special technique there?
No.
It's a 15-year-old's I don't care technique. Pencil grip?
Don't post it on your YouTube channel.
Oh wait, this is a private one.
Okay.
See, I didn't know. That's the tap on the hand sift method. Very impressive. All these things we can learn from these cooking masters. Now, what temperature are we going to be cooking this on?
180.
180. How long do you reckon?
20 to 25 minutes.
20 to 25 minutes. Probably on the Z Grill, I'll probably put up to 190 or thereabouts, so a little bit of higher temperature. It's not quite as hot as a normal fan forced oven, so okay. So we've got some allspice. Mix that in there. Gives a bit of funky flavour. What's in allspice?
I don't know.
Allspice is pungent. Smells like you. And aromatic. Did you already put the allspice in or not?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's the leftovers.
Put it all in.
I don't want to put it on.
No, I put less than yesterday. Put it in. Allspice it in. Go. Don't be a tight ass with your allspice.
I think we need more flour.
Alright, I'll give you a dash more flour, alright? One of the things when you're an expert chef is you can just go off the script here and just say, I want more flour. How much more? Tell me when. Brown sugar. Shebang. Walnuts. 2 dried apricots.
Carrot cake without carrot.
Jesus Christ. Carrot cakes without carrots. I apologise. The most important ingredient for carrot cake, and I forgot it. What a failure I am as an assistant to the chef. For a master chef, your action seems a little bit slow and sloppy, I must say. This is called teamwork. What are you doing right now? Shredding? Grinding? No, there's a word for it. Just going to check Instagram in the middle of doing carrot action.
Grated.
Great, there we go. The word is great. Can I have a go? Because you're freaking me out with your funny actions. What are you talking about?
When you eat the cake, the actual carrot cake, it's just full of carrot.
Yeah, it's good. Carrot's awesome.
Look at this.
That's great.
Look at this. It's
very carroty. Let's just show. Look, very carroty. That's a good thing. I love me carrot. There's a lot of carrot in there.
I know. That's what I told you.
I'm just getting the zesty zest. You like to do that, don't you? Lovely work, great technique. Good work, Austen. It's been a pleasure working with you, sir. Let's see how this cake turns out. Carrot cake is done. My son is nowhere to be seen, so it looks like I'm going to be doing the icing by myself. Let's wait no longer, let's have a taste test. What do you reckon? Austen's carrot cake done in the Z Grill. Beautiful.